Krishna kills Keshi. When the horse-shaped demon Keshi arrived at Vrindavan to kill Lord Krishna, all the cowherds shivered in fright. He ripped the earth with his hooves and even attacked the Surya and the Chandrama. "Do not fear, as I am here," said Lord Krishna. Keshi heard this and stormed fitfully. "I will kill you and punish the people of Vrindavan." His massive hoofs thudded the ground as he charged ahead in utter rage. Lord Krishna ripped Keshi into two and destroyed him, because of which he is also known as Keshava. Akrora arrived soon after and informed Krishna and Balram that they had been invited to Mathura. Nanda, Yashoda, the gopis and the cowherds wept with grief as they bade Lord Krishna goodbye. Radha too cried out in pain at the parting. Balram and Lord Krishna also felt deep grief as they climbed into the chariot with Akrora and left for Mathura. The Gopis Grieve. As the chariot carrying Lord Krishna and Balram departed from Vrindavan, the gopis followed it. All of Vrindavan mourned Lord Krishna's departure, but the gopis' grief was unbearable. Some of them felt so miserable that they cried out, "We prefer death to life without him." "How could Lord Krishna leave us and go to Mathura?" cried a gopi. Another lamented, "Evil demon King Kansa is so vile. What if he destroys our beloved Lord Krishna?" Life came to a standstill in Vrindavan. The cowherds too felt the pain of separation. Besides the people, even the birds and the animals of Vrindavan fell into a mournful silence, for they grieved the separation from Lord Krishna. Among them all, Radha's sorrow was the deepest, for she was Lord Krishna's most beloved friend and mate. Meanwhile, Lord Krishna headed to Mathura with a firm resolve to destroy Kansa. Akrora witnesses a vision. Akrora drove the chariot towards Mathura as fast as he could. However, midway, he stopped the chariot at the banks of river Yamuna to refresh himself. While he was taking a bath, Akrora saw both Balram and Krishna standing in the water. Confused, Akrora looked back at the chariot and saw that the two boys were sitting in the chariot. When he dived into the water, he saw another wonderful vision. Akrora saw a beautiful vision of Krishna in the form of Lord Vishnu sleeping on Sheshnag. After a few seconds, the curved body of Sheshnag turned into the stunning form of Balram. Akrora was awestruck and overwhelmed with devotion. What I had heard is true. Lord Vishnu and Sheshnag were born on earth as the sons of Vasudeva, he said to himself as he joined his hands and prayed to Lord Vishnu. The vision disappeared and Akrora went back to his chariot, overjoyed with what he had seen. Lord Krishna heals Kubja. When the two brothers arrived in Mathura, Akrora went to the palace while Lord Krishna and Balram roamed the city on foot. They met a garland seller, who knew at once that they were divine. He worshipped them with flowers and Lord Krishna blessed him. Further on, the brothers met a young woman named Kubja. She was beautiful, though she had a hump on her back. Her long hair and pretty eyes were marred by the hump. She was carrying sandalwood paste. "Whom is the paste for?" asked Lord Krishna. When Kubja told him it was for Kansa, he told her to anoint Balram and himself with the paste instead. After she had done so, he removed the hump from her back. Kubja looked extremely beautiful now because her hump was gone. She thanked him happily. Lord Krishna and Balram proceeded to Kansa's palace. It had become dark when they reached it. Chanora and Mushtika are slain. Meanwhile, Kansa was performing the yajna in the arena in the palace. A bow was to be worshipped there. Lord Krishna and Balram entered the arena and Lord Krishna broke the bow in a challenge to evil Kansa. Angry Kansa thundered, "Kill him at once!" Charuna and Mushtika heard him and attacked the brothers. At the same time, Kubalaya Pida, the mighty elephant, was also released into the arena. Lord Krishna and Balram killed Kubalaya Pida first. They took the elephant's tusk and hurled it on the floor of the arena. All night the two wrestlers fought the brothers, but they stood no chance against Lord Vishnu himself. Lord Krishna grabbed Chanora's body and spun it 100 times before dashing it to the ground and killing him. Balram destroyed Mustika in a single blow. Kansa realized that even the most carefully laid evil plans would not be successful.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.